I'm Mindy Lockard, and today on Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are taking the stress out of Thanksgiving sides because no hostess wants to arrive to her table in a mood that's, well, foul. Growing up, our family always made our Thanksgiving sides from scratch, and while they were delicious, we usually arrived to the table exhausted and a little less gracious than we would like. And so over the years, I have created some time-saving tips like gravy. I usually pick that up in the Market of Choice deli, and also these delicious little stuffin' muffin balls that I can make the night before and then pop them in the oven as soon as the turkey comes out. First, we start by generously drizzling olive oil in a large pan on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, we add 2 chopped onions and 1 cup chopped celery. When the onions are translucent, add 2 grated apples. I like tart, but you can add any variety that you like. 2 cans green chilies, 1.5 tablespoons poultry seasoning, and salt to taste. Now this smell, it smells like Thanksgiving. So good. Fold together until all the ingredients are mixed well, especially the apples. Now earlier I baked a box of basic cornbread mix and overbaked it and let it dry. Then I crumbled it up and stored it into a Ziploc container so that I can add it once all of our fixins are cooked through. Now I'm going to add half of our dry cornbread and 1.5 cups of our turkey broth. Mix it really well and then add the second half of our cornbread and another 1.5 cups of turkey broth. Mix it really well and then allow your stuffing mixture to cool because you're going to be handling it and we don't want to burn our fingers. With clean hands, take the mixture and form into round stuffing balls, placing each into a well-buttered muffin tin. Pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown. Once the stuffing and muffins are cool, transfer them to an airtight container. Then on Thanksgiving, you can pop them into the oven right as the turkey comes out to reheat. These stuffin' muffins are the perfect size for a Thanksgiving side. Your family is going to love the sweet and heat, and you're going to love how quick and easy they are. Remember, the best place to connect with your kids is in the car and in the kitchen. And for more Gracious Kitchen recipes, visit the blog at marketofchoice.com.